Yo, what's going on, guys? Andy here, back again with another video. Today was a pretty good day, pretty quick, honestly. Today's FOMC day, so the market's indecisive. So I knew we were going to be range bound, So I just wanted to take a trade, and be done real quick. You know what I mean? And exactly what happened. Exactly what happened. First trade that I took was on my funded account. Yeah, I was straight up raw dogging it. You know what I mean? No evals or nothing. Just straight up take a trade on this. I bought right at VWAP here. Okay, the open was very tame. As you can see here, like a 19-point range. So we went up, we started going down, and obviously what am I gonna do? I wait for price to come to VWAP, and then I bought. I bought at 750, and I held it for how many ever points, and it's like 25 points, right? So yeah, I got my 25 points there. Up to almost 25 points, just like 2 ticks off. Show fills. It's not showing me. Oh wait, there we go. See. Can't get any better than that. Look at that. Like perfection. This is what happens when you just wait for a really good opportunity, Yes, I have said I'm not going to take a trade before 7, but we weren't that volatile. We weren't that volatile. And I thought first time at VWAP, we were going to see a, like a move we'd expect, It's going to go up the first time. People are going to buy up there. And, as the bears get stronger, we're going to break through that, So it is a bit riskier, like later on in the day. You don't know how it'll react, But for the most part, it's pretty good. We broke, but we held it. We came right back up, And, again, we went right back up before, just hanging around there, at VWAP. We're just waiting for the news to hit, which is in 6 minutes, my time. So, yeah. Really good trade. And then on this account actually is a live or eval to live account. And the reason I got this was because it was 50% off. The MFF had a flash sale on their Discord today. So it was 50% off. So I used the code to see if it was still available. I want to try it out. And I put, $500 on there. This one, discipline, kind of went in the garbage can. Not because of the trades, but I was already in profit and I went into another trade. So as you can see here, look at this dumpster fire. This is the first trade that I took. Big winner, right? 23 to 42. I at $360, around 19 points or 18 points. I get $360 there, and then I had massive FOMO, because I was doing something, and then the price hit here, the 21 EMA on the 5-minute, ripped up. I missed it, and then I got into some dumbass trades right here. Dumb trades, and then, but in the end, I did, make a good profit on this last candle, and I was up. Oh, no, I bought again at this candle, which was kind of dumb, but it worked out, because I thought we were just going to push up, and then have a big short later on, close to the news time, but, it worked out, so, yeah. I was like $90, counts fresh. I'm not really risking anything. So my mind just went like, oh my God, I got to take another trade mode. So, I did that. This was the third trade that I took. These series of trades were the third set of trades. The second trade, one trade that I took was longs right off open. Okay. Right off open. I got longs, and yeah, I was able to, secure 5 points, and I was chilling. So, yeah, that was the second trade that I took. So $500, 5 points, just went balls deep because my drawdown is like at 4K now, because I'm stupid and I just ran these accounts. So I'm the first person to ever pass a freaking 50K combine with a $4,600 balance, nearly like 50% extra of the balance that you need, and I'm passing this shit still, so, yeah, it is what it is, bro. This day I kept trading, if it was just at 1,500, I would have passed by now, so, So yeah, that's that. So yeah, those are the trades that I took. Really nothing else to say. Really clean day. You know what I mean? So yeah. Well, that's that. But yeah, nothing else to say. I'll see you guys in the next one. All right. Bye and peace out. Oh, I'm really close to a payout. So that's one thing I wanted to say. Really close to a payout. So I think I'm going to have um, add my take profit accounts again after um, after these 2 days. Hopefully. I don't want to rush it too much because I need a $2,800 balance on this account, and I can withdraw 1,200. That'll leave me with a $1,600 drawdown, which is perfect for me. So yeah, I need to get 2 more winning days of $400 each, or just split it, keep it really fucking safe, $200 a day, and I can take a big payout, 1,200 max payout, max $1,200 payout on the 26th, which is not bad. I don't even count this day, bro. It's like, I just took a trade on it because I didn't what do you call it? I didn't trade on this, and I had it, so I don't want them to cancel the account. So yeah, hopefully a payout coming soon, and that'll put us at like what, $7,500 this month in payouts. That'd be crazy. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next one. All right, bye.